Yeah. Yeah, I already know, man. It's your boy Lil Hey. You did. Hey, you know what I'm saying? I just wanna hear drop this thing clean up, you know what I'm saying? Everything, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, man? I got a lot of haters right now, you know what I'm saying? I mean, it got worse, you know what I'm saying? Since the kid, you know what I'm saying, was in the job video, you know what I'm saying? But, you know what I'm saying? I think these niggas out here just really know, you know what I'm saying? That, you know what I'm saying, they really can't fuck with me, you know what I'm saying, on the music shit, or none of this shit out here, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Now, you know what I'm saying, don't get me twisted, you know what I'm saying, now I ain't no fighter, you know what I'm saying, ain't no Muhammad Ali or none of that, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, you know what I'm saying, I'll slow up with a nigga, you know what I'm saying, ain't gonna let nobody disrespect me, you know what I'm saying, or cross me, you know what I'm saying, shit, but I roll with some goon ass niggas though, you know what I'm saying? So like before I even probably even try to holler at you, man, my niggas probably even gonna get at your head, dog. That's how it is out here. But you know what I'm saying? It's a lot of little bullshit, you know what I'm saying? Niggas dissing me on YouTube and shit. Niggas calling themselves, you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying, King of the Bama and shit. Or whatever this bullshit is, you know what I'm saying? If I fuck with you, I fuck with you, you know what I'm saying? That mean, you know what I'm saying? The way I feel, nigga, it ain't never like two kings, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Rich boy, you know what I'm saying? What's up with your homeboy? And dirty boy. You know what I'm saying? I ain't dissing nobody, you know what I'm saying? They call themselves the king. You know what I'm saying? Unless if we had a confrontation, nigga, I'm talking to you, you know what I'm saying? You did that. Nigga wanna got them get on YouTube, you know what I'm saying, do a little freestyle and shit. You know what I'm saying? Call a nigga a bitch, you know what I'm saying? Nigga named Blunt, you know what I'm saying? But it's all good though, my nigga, you understand it? Because nigga, you know what I'm saying? Nah, you know what I'm saying? People been telling me, you know what I'm saying, not to retaliate. You know what I'm saying? People were telling me, you know what I'm saying, yeah, retaliate, you know what I'm saying? Let that nigga know, you know what I'm saying? He ain't fucking with you. You know what I'm saying? But nigga, I ain't even gotta do all that, my dude. You know what I'm saying? Nigga, you look lame. You a square nigga, you a Newport box, nigga. You ain't fucking with me, nigga. Nobody, nigga. Prince of the Bama, my nigga. You know how we do it, my nigga. You know where to find me at, nigga. You don't like this shit, nigga, that you hearing right now, nigga. But anyway, nigga, I know a lot of niggas out there probably mad, you know what I'm saying? Come fucking model hoes and shit, nigga. Y'all niggas still at home, nigga. Big nigga looking at flicks and shit, nigga. You understand that, nigga? But anyway, you know what I'm saying? Goddamn. A lot of niggas probably mad, man, 'cause I probably hit they bitch. Or you know what I'm saying? Or they ain't got the kind of shit that I got. Or they ain't whipping too cars, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, Lil Hey, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? They music ain't goddamn coming out, you know what I'm saying? Like Lil Hey, you know what I'm saying? It's a lot of bullshit out there, you know what I'm saying? Well, I tell you what, man. Anyway, I'm keep getting y'all local jokers, you know what I'm saying? Reason to hate on the kid though. You know what I'm saying? And just like the kid Indeed right here, you know what I'm saying, eating up rappers at the same time. You did. You understand what I'm saying? Nigga, we don't play that diss and shit. You know what I'm saying? You did, homeboy. We don't get down like that, nigga. We get down at 5 in the morning, nigga. You understand that, nigga? Know some niggas that don't even sleep, my nigga. You understand what I'm saying? No niggas that knock your head out, nigga, just for a hobby, nigga. Fuck you mean, my nigga? Y'all nigga crazy, man. Y'all got the game fucked up or something. You know what I'm saying? Y'all just got me fucked up. One, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Y'all niggas out here talking about this pimp shit. Y'all niggas out here up here tricking these hoes and shit, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Get the hell out of here, man. Y'all niggas out here loving these hoes, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Nigga, why the fuck you up here talking, you know what I'm saying? You diss me on, you know what I'm saying, YouTube, you know what I'm saying, but, you know what I'm saying? The bitch that you with, nigga, the bitch that you kissed, nigga. And I heard about this, nigga. She sucked my dick, nigga. So what the fuck is you talking about, nigga? Don't ever, nigga, say that you a motherfucking pimp, nigga. Fuck you mean? Bitches break you, nigga. Fuck you mean, man? Niggas rob you, nigga. You is not hard, nigga. You is not from the streets at all, nigga. Let the streets talk, nigga. Fuck you mean, man? Get real, man. Anyway, you know what I'm saying? It's your boy Lil Hayes. Album coming soon. You dig? And nigga, we gonna leave it like that, nigga. 100.